In order to join custom servers on Minecraft Bedrock Edition, you will need to make sure that you are signed in into a Microsoft account. So as you're able to tell, I am currently signed in, but if you haven't, you need to go to the main menu. Then in the bottom left, you should see a button that says sign in, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on that, and then you should be good to go. Now, unfortunately, you are not able to join custom servers directly if you're on a console. That includes Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch. There are workarounds, and I will make separate guides for those, but that process is going to be slightly different. So this process is mainly whether you're on a desktop or on a mobile device, because you don't need to purchase any additional subscription or anything like that, and you will get the custom server button. I'm just saying this for full transparency purposes. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on play, just like so. Go to the top menu and make sure to select on servers. Then go ahead and press on add server, just like so. And then from here, enter in the server that you would like to join. So let's say you wanted to join the River Network server. That is definitely something you could do. We can go ahead and type it in right over here. Then make sure the server address is correct, and same thing with the port as well. Then press on add and play, just like so. All right, and here we are, guys, in our custom server. So it really is that simple. The main thing is that making sure you are signed into a Microsoft account, and they typically walk you through the entire process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click and subscribe. See you later, French fries.